here is a new collection of merchandise that just came out. So it's kind of the retro logo with a orca whale in the O for SeaWorld. And they're all these pastel colors, so there's shirts with matching hats, as well as matching water bottles, and they come in different colors. Got green, blue, and pink. Green, blue, and pink water bottles, and green, blue, and pink shirts. So all different color options here, kind of to go along with the new 2021 collection, since they have that as well, so we'll go take a look at that. And Amanda pointed out that this pink shirt's a different design than the other one. So each one's a little unique, but kind of the same color scheme.
Really nice.
Yeah, it's a fun design. I like it a lot. Now here is the stuff in the other entrance, which I believe is also new, but not specifically 2021. This is what the design is on the back. It has more of like a touristy, like, I don't know how to describe that design, but it feels familiar. I know a lot of places use a font like that, and then it's a SeaWorld Orlando on the front. All different mugs and shot glasses, snow globes, picture frames in the front. And then here is the 2021 collection. So this is the front of a shirt, long sleeve, and it says SeaWorld on the sleeve. Looks like this one is $40. Lots of them in stock. And then here's it on the mannequin, as well as the rest of the collection. So there's an ornament, magnet, snow globe, mug, picture frame, shot glasses, pens, pencils. Looks like another ornament that actually has like the number spelled out with the different animals on it. As well as, I don't know if any of these little notebooks are 2021. They may just be generic SeaWorld. And then here's another look at some of the stuff they have up here by the registers. Some different lanyards and waterproof pouches. They also recently came out with this iridescent collection, which it looks like Amanda's a fan of this shirt. It's a very fun color scheme. I feel like it's kind of like your stereotypical like mermaid color scheme. Like a lot of people like to use blue and purple for mermaids, but
they're so soft.
It works really well for SeaWorld colors, of course.
Oh my God.
So these are like a sweatpant nautical type shorts. Of course, the shirt with the tie in the front, and also a long sleeve version with the logo on the sleeve. And then a cropped sweatshirt that is this blue and purple with the shiny logo. So lots of choices in this collection. And this sweatshirt is $37, so it's actually not bad for a sweatshirt. Did miss a few things in the 2021 collection, so these are right kind of in the entranceway. You can see the fan blowing them around. But there's some more shirts with the 2021 design. A drawstring bag. Looks like a fanny pack maybe, or a handheld bag. I can't see if there's a strap on the back without touching it. There's a tote bag, more of the stuff that we saw on the display. And then directly across we have a sweatshirt with 2021 in adult and kids, as well as a orca stuffed animal, and he has a little hat. I think that's hilarious. And he is 18. And then maybe a 2021 reusable bottle as well. Yep, so it's 2021, and these are the bottles you can purchase in the store and then refill in the park for 99 cents. And they have lots of different options for refillable bottles. I also wanted to point out, while we're across from the rescue store, they have officially hit 38,000 rescues. So they announced that on Twitter earlier today actually, but I'm pretty sure when we were here for the VIP ride night for pass members, they had officially crossed that 38,000 mark a week ago. So super exciting for them to hit a huge milestone like that. And then also, while we're in this front walking over towards the waterfront, I also wanted to point out that they are doing construction on Polar Parlor. So it's behind walls, and there's a sign saying coming soon, a new ice cream shop, which will be presented by Eddie's. So it looks like it's getting remodeled. No idea if it'll change names or not, but it is currently unavailable, and they did take the sign down. So that leads me to believe that maybe they'll be renaming it, kind of similarly to them renaming Mango Joe's, which is officially now called Altitude Burgers, to fit in with the theming of Icebreaker and that whole Arctic area over by Wild Arctic. Now, since it was so dark when we came last time, I don't know if I pointed out some changes they've made, where they are now having distanced sections for viewing the dolphin nursery, which is something they really should have been doing all along, but it is a very nice change to see. And there is a distance queue for you to wait in to come up and see the nursery, with distance markers on the ground to make sure that groups aren't getting too close together. But now it is time to head into Seven Seas Food Festival, because a lot of these booths are located by the waterfront. Now, we were here a few weeks ago, back when Seven Seas started, and we came on a Friday night. We came like right before closing, so we did try a couple food items, and it was dead, which was amazing, which it's not too crowded right now. But we're here to try a few more food items, hopefully. So here's an updated look at Icebreaker, which of course the track's been complete for a while. They have already done full testing of it now, so that's exciting. I don't see a ride vehicle, but it's probably there somewhere. You just may not be able to see it from this. Actually, there might be one in the station. Hard to tell, but there are a handful of construction crew kind of hanging out in the area, so they must be doing something. All the lighting's on, which is exciting. Looks like they still maybe have landscaping to do, but it's probably pretty close to being ready to open. So that's exciting. But they are redoing that whole area, kind of as I mentioned, with Altitude Burgers, but they have some new rock work and like ice sculptures kind of being built, so we're gonna head over there and kind of check out what changes have popped up since the last time we've been here. All right, so we have a little surprise, because I didn't see this online at all yet. Icebreaker sign has gone up on the arch. That's so exciting. So we see the wait time, quick queue and general queue, and then those ice rocks that I was talking about, which I'm pretty sure they were like undercover before, but they're fully exposed because they look like snow. So that's really cool looking. And the 5G tower, which I responded to SeaWorld on Twitter saying, is that a 5G tower? Because it looks like one to me, because I know Disney's been installing a bunch of them. And they responded saying, it is indeed a 5G tower. So SeaWorld's kind of in a 5G dead spot, so I guess they're trying to fix that, which is pretty cool. And then of course next door, the all new Altitude Burgers. So really nice new sign. I have not seen it lit up before.
Like there's a menu.
Oh my god, there's a menu in there. We're going, you heard it here first. Altitude Burgers menu, we're going to take a look. It's no longer Mango Joe's. They look like they're testing. This looks ready to open any day now. Okay, so there's a burger in there called the Altitude Burger, which looks like their signature, which has homemade chili, if I'm reading that correctly. Cheddar cheese, onion ring, special sauce. Here is a look at Altitude Burger. It looks very different from when it was Mango Joe's. Like all new color scheme in there. Definitely matches the Icebreaker color scheme. But here's the menu. So again, that Altitude Burger has, oh yeah, it comes with mozzarella sticks, so that's exciting. Then you can build a burger for $14.99 compared to the $20 Altitude Burger. And you can pick a cheeseburger, grilled chicken, or a bacon cheeseburger with special sauce, teriyaki barbecue, or chipotle ranch. And then for a side, you get waffle fries, onion rings, or fresh fruit. And then you can elevate your meal by making it a double bacon cheeseburger, adding homemade chili, or adding mozzarella sticks. So that's super exciting. I'm excited to try this because they don't have like a burger bar anywhere else. Just to top it off, Icebreaker's testing for us. So this is just a whole day of breaking the Icebreaker news here. There she goes. Ooh, all the way to the top of the spike. Yes! We love seeing it test just like Velocicoaster, and then over the top hat, we love to see it. That's so exciting. So there it is, everything happening in this new Arctic section. Of course, we had the Glacier Bar that opened up a few months ago right next to Wild Arctic, which is still under refurbishment, the main entrance. But you can enter through the store still. That's so exciting to see so many changes here. We love it. Okay, now we're gonna watch it from the other side of the track. Ooh. Wait, that's so much faster than I thought it was gonna be.
It sounds really smooth.
Ooh, it looks smooth too. Oh, it's beautiful. Can't wait to ride it. Love you, Icebreaker. So here's our first Seven Seas food item of the day. It is the cheesecake cone, which is from the Sweets Market, which is right between Sesame Street and Infinity Falls. And we got the white chocolate raspberry cheesecake cone, which is the new flavor. We did try the rainbow cheesecake back during Electric Ocean, I think, or maybe craft beer, whenever that was. And it was really good. So this is a different flavor to try. They didn't have any forks or spoons, so it's gonna be interesting to eat. But it looks good. They put whipped cream and like a raspberry sauce on top of it, which already dripped on my fingers, so I did try the sauce, and it was tasty. But now it's time for some cheesecake. Here's a look at the poke bowl, which comes from the Polynesian booth right next to Voyagers. Looks like it has cucumbers, seaweed salad, the crispy wontons, some kind of dressing on it. It looks good, and then it comes in like a little to-go box. Alright, we're back by the lighthouse, which is apparently under refurbishment. She's getting some work done.
Yeah.
But that is gonna be it. So we didn't eat quite as much as I originally expected because we got very distracted by so much happening over by Icebreaker. So that was really exciting to see that. It kept testing like the entire night while we were here. I mean, we weren't here long, but like the entire time we were here was testing. Got to see the, what's it called? Altitude Burgers, which I checked on the app and it actually is showing on the app now. It says now open on Saturdays and Sundays, and today's Friday, so it's gonna open tomorrow. So
I didn't know that.
you know, we're off by a day, but we avoid Saturdays because they're busy. So hopefully, maybe we'll read about it, hear if it's good or not, and then maybe one of the next times we're here, we'll try it. So that'll be opening up tomorrow, which is pretty cool. But yeah, a lot of good stuff. I did really like our cheesecake cone. So we had the white chocolate raspberry. We've had the rainbow before, which was just like plain cheesecake, it just died. But the white chocolate was good.
Good.
The raspberry like flavor was really only strong on the top, I felt, because of the sauce.
And the the middle was barely there.
It wasn't like, it was a subtle flavor, but it was good. Like, it's good cheesecake, the cone was good, so that was nice. And the poke was good too, it had a little bit of a spice to it. So, a little spicy.
It wasn't too bad though.
But no, it wasn't like, I'm not a huge spicy person fan, a spicy food fan, but it wasn't like too bad at all. So that was good. And we still have a lot of punches left for our lanyard, so we'll definitely be back to try some more. But yeah, and we do have our all-season dining plan ending soon, and I don't think they're renewing that program. So that'll kind of allow us to try some stuff that maybe we haven't in the past because we had our plan. But yeah, I was kind of preparing for that. My mask is dying on me. But we have the all-season drinks as well, and that's ending. So we're probably going to be switching over to like the 99-cent refills that they offer for any cup you can buy in the park. So I just got one. So it was $15 to get this like SeaWorld water bottle that you can freeze the middle and then fill anywhere in the park for 99 cents. So that's true for anyone, you don't have to be a pass holder for that. But we also now have 50% discount, so if you're a pass holder, check out the website because they updated the perks. So we get 50% off now if you're platinum, and I think it kind of like scales down. But it was $7 and like 50 cents to get this cup, so it's not too expensive, and then I can use it going forward to get refills all the time. But that is going to be it for today. We do have a lot of exciting stuff coming up. We're going to be doing a bit at Universal with a little staycation, as well as a week from now, we're going to Discovery Cove.
Yeah.
Which I am so excited for. So we did go there a few months ago, I want to say like 7 months or so, and we had an amazing time. I've been dying to go back, which we have actually another trip booked for like later in the spring. But I couldn't wait that long, so we're going again.
Like literally having a crisis every day, being like, I missed Discovery Cove, should I book it?
Me too.
And then one day he was just like, I'm doing it.
And I did. So we'll be there bright and early, filming our day at Discovery Cove. We had a lot of issues with like the audio on the GoPro, so should be a fun day. Definitely keep an eye out for that. So that's coming up soon. But thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys next time we go to Disney and beyond.
Wash and sanitize.